River Point Square is lined with vendors each summer for the Norfolk Farmers Market.
Hi. Black radish, $1.50. Out of 2.
There you will find sisters Stacy and Sandy Dickman, who got their start at the market.
Growing up, always wanted to live out in the country. We did a lot of gardening at my grandfather's house. When we graduated from college, we actually bought a house in town together, kind of fixer-upper, fixed that up, and then sold it and used the down payment money to buy the farm.
The place that we ended up buying had produce grown on it at one time, and so we decided that this was something that we wanted to try.
The farmer's market was in the parking lot of where I used to work, and so stopped at the parking lot and talked to the vendors there and just got started.
You got any more of the sourdough left? Or?
Sourdough? I think we do. We do, yes.
I'll take one.
A sourdough?
Norfolk Bread Company, another local favorite, also got their start at the Norfolk Farmers Market.
I started baking bread as a hobby, probably about 6 or 7 years ago, when I was in grad school actually, and I would make it just for my friends and my wife. I had started selling at the Norfolk Farmers Market 4 years ago, the summer of 2018. And that was the original plan at first, was just to do the farmers market and just kind of take the winters off or sell individually here and there.
I think that the most fun thing to grow is the pumpkins and the gourds, because especially the gourds, when you start picking them, you never know what you're going to find. They always come in the different oddest shapes.
We like to do green beans. It's just nothing better than a fresh green beans.
Our morning buns, they're very popular. That combination of that croissant dough with the orange peel plus the brown sugar and all that and cinnamon makes for a really good combination.
Caleb, Stacy, and Sandy started selling to just a few customers, but quickly expanded.
The city invited us a year ago to come down here and start selling here at the River Point, and so that's been a really good move for us.
When the farmers market moved downtown, that really exploded our business for us. I wanted to keep that momentum going. This bakery came up for sale, and I said, well, it's a good opportunity. I feel like it's been presented to me, and so I feel like I need to go ahead and take the plunge and go for it full time.
As these vendors continue to grow, they will always find a sense of home at River Point Square.
The farmers market was such a great way to just get to know the community. I mean, it was my first introduction to the city of Norfolk. Really connecting with people one-on-one.
You get the same customers come back to you all the time, talk to you. They tell you about their kids, they tell you their stories.
I love being around the people here at market. I enjoy planting things and seeing things grow, and I don't think I would ever quit for a long time. The best part of farmers market is you're kind of like a family.
Perfect, thank you. Did you say Paulo? Say thank you? Thank you, yeah, good job.